Wake up and seize the day. Your life is a blank canvas waiting to be painted with the vibrant colors of your dreams and ambitions. Every morning is a new opportunity to rewrite your story and reshape your destiny. The time for excuses is over. The time for action is now. Understand that your mindset is the foundation of everything you achieve. Your thoughts shape your reality. Cultivate a mindset of growth, resilience, and unwavering belief in your abilities. Challenge those limiting beliefs that have held you back for far too long. You are capable of so much more than you realize. Set clear, ambitious goals that ignite a fire in your soul. Break them down into actionable steps and attack them with relentless determination. Remember, dreams don't work unless you do. Take massive action every single day towards your objectives. Small, consistent efforts compound over time into extraordinary results. Embrace discomfort as the price of growth. Step out of your comfort zone daily. That's where the magic happens. Face your fears head-on and watch them dissolve in the face of your courage. Every challenge you overcome makes you stronger, more resilient, and better equipped to handle whatever life throws at you. Surround yourself with people who elevate you, who challenge you to be better. Your environment shapes you more than you realize. Seek out mentors who have achieved what you aspire to. Learn from their wisdom, emulate their habits, and let their success inspire your own journey. Develop an insatiable hunger for knowledge. Read voraciously, listen to podcasts, attend seminars. In the information age, ignorance is a choice. Arm yourself with knowledge and watch as doors of opportunity swing wide open for you. Remember, leaders are readers. Time is your most precious resource. Guard it fiercely. Eliminate distractions and focus on high-value activities that move you closer to your goals. Procrastination is the thief of dreams. Take action now, not later. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. Cultivate resilience in the face of adversity. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's a part of it. Embrace failure as a teacher. Learn from your mistakes, adjust your approach, and keep pushing forward. Remember, it's not about how many times you fall, but how many times you get back up. Practice gratitude daily. Appreciate the journey, not just the destination. A grateful heart attracts more abundance. Focus on what you have, not what you lack. This shift in perspective can transform your entire life. Take care of your physical and mental health. Your body is the vehicle that will carry you to success. Nourish it with healthy food, regular exercise, and adequate rest. Practice mindfulness to stay centered amidst the chaos of life. A strong body and a calm mind are your greatest assets. Develop unwavering self-discipline. This is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Do what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. Discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want most. Believe in yourself when no one else does. Your self-belief is the foundation of all achievement. Silence the doubters. Ignore the naysayers and trust in your abilities. You have greatness within you. It's time to let it shine. Embrace the power of visualization. See your success in your mind's eye before it manifests in reality. Feel the emotions of achieving your goals. This mental rehearsal primes your subconscious mind for success. Develop emotional intelligence, understand and manage your emotions effectively. Learn to respond, not react. Your ability to navigate complex emotional landscapes will set you apart in both personal and professional realms. Take calculated risks. Playing it safe might feel comfortable, but it won't lead to extraordinary results. Step out of your comfort zone and embrace uncertainty. Remember, ships are safe in the harbor, but that's not what ships are built for. Cultivate a spirit of innovation. The world rewards those who solve problems and create value. Look for ways to improve everything you touch. Be a creator, not just a consumer. Your unique ideas can change the world. Practice effective communication. Your ability to articulate your ideas and connect with others is crucial. Listen actively, speak with clarity, and always seek to understand before being understood. Strong communication skills can open doors you never knew existed. Develop a growth mindset. Believe that your abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. Embrace challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. With a growth mindset, there are no limits to what you can achieve. Stay adaptable in a rapidly changing world. The only constant is change. Develop the flexibility to pivot when necessary. Those who thrive are those who can adapt quickly to new circumstances. Give back to others. True fulfillment comes from making a positive impact on the world. Use your success to lift others up.